Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to include a calendar on your WordPress website. If you've ever wanted to share your schedule, event list, or availability directly on your site, this guide is for you. By the end, your visitors will be able to view your calendar right from your web page. Clean, professional, and fully functional. Sounds good? Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to your WordPress website. Make sure you're on the page with your dashboard visible. This is where all the magic happens. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login option. Click that to sign into your WordPress admin area. If you want to save some time, you can choose Continue with Google to sign in quickly using your Google account. I always do this because it keeps everything connected and smooth. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. This is the hub for everything you want to do on your site, adding pages, posts, or in our case, a calendar. Now, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Go ahead and click it. This is where you can add new elements or blocks to your page. It's kind of like a toolbox for your website. Inside the editor, you'll see your website layout. To add your calendar, find the plus icon plus sign again, usually at the top left, click it, and a menu of blocks and widgets will appear. In the search bar, type calendar. Depending on your WordPress setup or theme, you should see a calendar block show up. Click on it, and it will be added right to your page. Easy, right? Take a moment to check how it looks. You can adjust the size, layout, or placement by dragging the block around or tweaking the settings in the sidebar. Play around a little. This is where you can make it look just the way you want. Once you're happy with how it looks, head to the top right corner and click Save. This will apply your changes and make your embedded calendar live for your visitors to see. And that's it. You've successfully added a calendar to your WordPress site. Now, anyone who visits your page can easily see your schedule, upcoming events, or availability, all without leaving your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more quick WordPress tips, and drop a comment letting me know what feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.